Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Aditi here. I'm so glad to be joining with you guys another brand new video. So I went to Five Below store in US, which is exactly like the Miniso store in India, and finally I got to go around the store and actually film something for you guys. So I'm just gonna give you a store tour of all the stuff that they have. As the store name suggests, everything is $5 and below $5. Nothing is more than $5, and also it's just not a single store. It has like everything, anything that you want, from skincare to home decor to other useful items, summer collections, electronics, and stuff like that. Also, I have a haul for you guys. What all I picked up again from Five Below store, because it was all really good, too good to be missed out. Because after buying the stuff from Five Below and using it, I really got a lot of trust on the brand, and also the products were really good and very cheap. Although it's very cheap, the products are really of good quality and doesn't look cheap at all, and definitely last long. So I went ahead and purchased some more stuff. The first thing that I picked up from Five Below store is another blanket, that throw blanket that I got it. So it's basically a light pink animal printed throw blanket with kitten printed on it, or a cat pattern printed on it. It's the entire blanket of this color, and I've been using. It's very soft. It's a perfect throw blanket for the early mornings and the late nights in summers, because it really gets chilly even in summer here. This is something really good, and I just got it for $5, which is like exactly about like 300 to 350 rupees I picked this for, and it's a perfect size. I just love it. Next stuff that I picked up from Five Below store is this cute little sloth thing that I got from Five Below. Just so soft here. I just use it for my back while I'm editing the videos, because I want something to rest on, so I just use this for that, and it's really nice. Sometimes I also use it as a pillow for taking a short nap in the morning. Also, I use it. So it's a very nice, so cute, super cute sloth pillow that is very squishy, very soft, and it's so cute. And I also like the color of it. This one actually matches my sloth blanket that I showed in the previous video, so it's together. I just got it, and this one again was for $5, which is anywhere between 300 to 350 rupees again. One of my favorite purchase is this little thing. I am absolutely obsessed with this. So this is basically a speaker, you guys. It's a flamingo speaker. You guys know how much I like flamingo, cactus, pineapple and all that. The print of it is so cute, the color of it is so cute, and basically it's a speaker just like a JBL speaker, and the quality is so amazing. It exactly feels like JBL speaker, and it gives a very good sound quality. Again, it's something as a Bluetooth. It can connect it with my iPad or my iPhone, and I just play it while I'm cooking. Since I'm in US and I'm alone, I do the cooking all by myself. So while cooking, I listen to something on the speaker, mostly the spiritual stuff and all of that. I listen to it, and the quality is amazing. The charge comes really long. It also comes with a USB cable as well to charge it, so it just actually takes like 1 hour of charging, and it almost plays around 5 to 6 hours continuously, which I use it like an hour every day. Almost it comes for a week for me, so I just love it, and the sound quality is pretty dang good for $5. This again was just for about $5, and just because of the print I got it. And since the Bluetooth headphone that I got in my previous video turned out to be really good for just $5, I thought this is also gonna be good, and trust me guys, it's amazing. It's just so cute. One of my regular use thing and a favorite thing. I just love it. What I have with me is this beautiful metal stool. It's a simple stool that looks really gorgeous. I just got it as a side table from the sofa just to keep my laptop. This is where I keep my laptop, and the table is perfect for it, so it's always hidden from the sofa, but again it's perfect. And I just love the pop of color it gives, so that is why I picked it up. And since it was just for $5, again like 300 rupees, I just gave it a shot and gave it a buy. That I picked it from Five Below. This is basically a cotton rug or cotton throw blanket I picked up. It's very difficult to get anything in cotton here, you guys, so I just got this amazing thing from Five Below. This one is actually made in India, if I can find the sticker of it. Yeah, if you can see here, it's 100% cotton and made in India. I'm so happy that it's made in India and it's 100% cotton, and I love the material of it. It is super thick and super amazing. So I have two of these. One of it I use it as a blanket for me, and the other one I use it on the sofa so that it doesn't stick, because the sofa here is super velvety and all of that, so in the summer it's really not comfortable to sit. And I really like the print of it. It's a very classy neutral print that goes with the entire house, so I just really like the model. So this is again for just $5, and I absolutely love this. I make sure that I use it every single day. If it's not going to be used every single day, I don't pick it up. I use it all day possible. I just like it so much, and these are my favorite things. I got this one from the store. This was just for about $3, which is exactly like 180-200 rupees exactly. And this is a really sturdy thing, you guys, because it's made of metal. Basically what it is meant for is it's actually to stick it on the garden. Like here everybody has a garden and a lawn outside, so you can just stick it on the garden and it looks really cute. It's a flamingo. It's a pretty long one. It almost comes till my hip, but I got it as a decor to hang it in my room. It's really sturdy as well, that's why I got it. This one is one of a little kind of stupid buy, but then everything else I'm using it regularly, and this one is just a decor piece which I could have refrained from buying, but I knew I'll not get something like that back in India. That is why I picked it up at this rate. I will not get it, that's why I got it. So these are all the stuff that I got from Five Below at just really amazing price. I hope you like my Five Below store tour and the Five Below haul. If yes, do not forget to share this video with all the girlfriends, and come back to my channel again every Tuesday and Friday at 4 PM to find me with a brand new video. Until then, it's your girl Aditi signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.
If you want to constantly stay in touch with me apart from YouTube, follow me on my Instagram at Aditi Iyer. My Instagram username is given here. Just follow me there. Do not forget to hit the bell icon while you're subscribing to my channel, so you can watch all my videos directly on box with just one click, and it's absolutely free. One of the circle is for this current channel, and the other circle is for my second channel. Take a second to hit on those circles. You're going to get instantly subscribed to my channel for free, so that you can get all my videos directly onto the phone. Thank you so much for staying in on. Bye.